What's up, everyone? It's Katrina Pilkington here as your AFAA or AFAA Master Instructor with the video series tips I'm offering you about how to do it all. Remember, I am imperfect. This is not a video series to say that I've done it all and I can do it all perfectly, and I'm here to share those tips with you. I'm sharing tips with you that I'm trying to myself integrate into my life every single day as an instructor, wife, full-time student, mother, and all the things. So as a fellow human in this space with you, I get it. I feel overwhelmed. I feel like I just want to do it all every single day. But there's a way for us to do it all, but do it all with grace and also do it all in a way that we realize our impact. So today's last and final tip in this series is all about the fact that your impact has impact. Whenever you're teaching, whenever you're sharing on social media, whenever you're interacting with folks out in the real world, if you're able to do so right now, remembering that what you do, what you say, and what you exhibit has an impact on those around you. And that goes for as far as what you share, what you speak about. I know I mentioned, embracing your mess and relating in that space. So doing those types of things has impact on those around you. Being there and being on time for your classes is important for those that take the time to teach or to be there for you to teach a little 30 to 45-minute class. That might be the only time they have in a day. So being reliable, being on time, being available for questions before and after class, whether it's virtually or in real life, because students want to know that they matter in your life, even if it's not on a super close, hyper personal situation. People want to know that they matter in your life because they've taken the time to trust you with that segment of time to take class with you in that day. Health and fitness is such a big deal right now because folks are really having to find new and innovative ways to get motivated. Sometimes it's hard for us, many folks like myself, to get up and work out in the home every single day without getting much scenery, depending upon what we're able to do. So realizing that people are trusting you with their time as their group fitness instructor, to respect that time of theirs and be there and available for them while you take care of yourself at the same time is key. The things that you do, the things you say have an impact. So remember that your intentions can be one thing, but the impact of what you do is another. So how can you make sure that your intentions align with the impact you have on the world around you? Making sure that you share with authenticity, that you're a good human and you try to be authentic and transparent as much as possible to relate, but at the same time that you take care of yourself and that you remember that I'm an instructor, but this is also my body and my mind I have to take care of first. Others that follow you can then trickle that domino effect onto others, and you would be amazed at what the impact your one class can have on one person that could trickle then into the others that they interact with on a daily basis. I would love your feedback on these video series that I'm doing as we prepare for more input from y'all in our community. And as we prepare to give you more content that's helpful in this time as we have, socially connected but spatially distant situations that we're in every single day in 2020 and beyond. So I look forward to your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me for this video series, and I will be talking to you all soon.